Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna let you know which of these bank is better for high savings account. Now, whether it is ING or whether it's a Ubank, I'm gonna let you know which of these bank provides with a high savings account. So basically, both ING and Ubank are reputable bank known for their high interest savings account. So in order to determine which one is better for you in 2024, you can consider factor like interest rate, fees, account features, customer service, and any promotional offers as well. You can also go ahead and check the current rate, terms and conditions to make an informed decision based on your financial goals as well. Now, in comparing with ING and Ubank high saving account in 2024, several factors comes in play. First of all, you could go ahead and check the current interest rate offered by both banks. Now, rates can fluctuate over time, so it's essential to compare them regularly, considering whether the rates are competitive and if they meet your savings or not. And likewise, you could also go ahead and look into any account maintenance fees, transaction fees, or other charges associated with the savings account. Now, some account may have no monthly fees or transaction fees, while others may have certain requirements to waive fees as well. And you could also consider the feature offered by each app, that is include like easy online account management, mobile banking app, automatic saving plans, or linked transaction account, and all that. Likewise, you could also go ahead and access the quality of customer service provider by both banks. You can look for a review or ask a friends and family about their experiences with ING or Ubank's customer support. And you could also consider the over financial stability and reputations of each bank. So you'll want to feel confident that your savings are secure with the reliable institutions. Now, ultimately, the better option depends on your individual preferences and priorities. Now, some people may prioritize the high interest rate, while others may value excellent customer service or account features. You could also take the time to compare these factors and choose the savings account that best aligns with your financial goals and need. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.